This is the elevator at the Red Roof Plus and Suites in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is originally an old Dover Seelar oil hydraulic, but was recently modernized by Otis when this hotel was just renovated. It was originally some different hotel. When I was here in Erie in October 2021, this was still under construction renovation. Come to 4. I think it entered service the mod in May. Here you are. A little bit of rough door. Here at 4. Go back down to 1. It's a basic, I think this is the original fake wood grain laminate cab, tile floor. It might be knocking me, I'm not sure. Older ceiling and older fan. They didn't redo the cab, they just replaced the fixtures and mechanical components. So cosmetically it's mostly the same. I guess I put new LED lights in. There's a speaker right there, that's weird. Old speaker here, back on. How close is that's gonna be at?